Hey guys, today me try understand crypto and me already feel brain melt. This morning me go to fancy roasted meat cave, me hold up shiny silver coin, me proud. But man behind counter wear suit made of tight sky beast hair. He point to small glowing rock and say, "Sorry, we only take crypto." Me say, "Crypto? That sound like warrior name." He roll eyes, say, "Crypto is digital money." Digital money? Me think, money that disappear when sunset. So me yell, "Me have coin right here. Me trade for fire meat." He say, "No crypto, no chicken." Me punch air, walk home hungry. Wife laugh, say, "Maybe you go buy NFT chicken next." If you no learn this, you end up cold, broke, and alone in mud pit, eating moss soup with your tears. Before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick. But only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell Caveman in comments, where your cave, what moon time? Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. So after roasted meat disaster, me stomp to village square to ask big brain elder what be this crypto. Me expect him to show me magic coin or glowing rock, but he hold up empty hand and say, "Crypto no thing you touch, it code, it idea, it decentralized." Me say, "Decentral what now, you drunk on cactus juice?" He say, "Crypto live in sky and cloud, on chain of blocks." Me think, chain of blocks, cavemen no blocks. We build cave toilet with blocks. So me grab big rock, start stacking blocks outside cave, wait for crypto to appear, nothing. So me dig hole behind bush, maybe crypto hiding underground. Nothing but worms and one confused badger. Then me visit young tribe child with glowing rectangle rock. He show me blockchain explorer. It scroll like sacred scroll but fast and full of numbers, so many numbers, caveman brain start smoke. Each block, he say, have record of trade, nobody can change it. Me say, so crypto like village gossip but nobody allowed to lie, he nod. Yes, it truth stone but invisible. At this point, me ready to give up, crypto no rock, no coin, no gold, just smoke magic and blinking lights. But still, everybody in tribe act like crypto worth more than 10 goats and a wife with good ankles. So me keep learning. Caveman think maybe crypto just big scam. But then me see something strange. Tribe people, normal, peaceful goat watchers, suddenly dancing around glowing stone tablets. They chant strange words like "Doge to the moon" and "Hodl" and "Buy the dip." Caveman ask, "Who is Doge? Why he go moon? We no even have ladder that tall." One tribe warrior say, "Doge is funny dog coin, very strong, much wow." Caveman nods slowly. Of course, dog coin strong. Then things get weirder. One day, skinny man with big jawbone and ponytail come into village yelling, "Me just make 4,000 coconuts from Shiba coin in 2 moonrises." He now wear golden nose ring, fancy leather skirt, and buy 5 wives. 5. Other villagers start panic buying magic coins. Even fire priests sell holy flame for 1 coin called moonpoo. Tribe go crazy. Old hunter sell spear for laptop. Wise woman pawn her wisdom rock for Ethereum. Me see man trade actual chicken for cartoon monkey picture. Monkey no even look happy, just bored. Everyone say, "Crypto future, no more goat trade, we free." But me feel uneasy. When thing invisible and everyone rich, that usually means somebody about to get clubbed in head. Still, caveman start feel fear of missing fire. Me want in. Me want be rich too. Me want big hut and sky hammock. So me decide, time for cavemen to buy crypto. So cavemen go into crypto world like brave mammoth hunter into unknown jungle. One day, me find shiny scroll on magic picture cave called TikTok. It show warrior with sparkly teeth and hair stiff like bark. He say, "Want become rich? Buy bone coin now. Only 17 coins left before launch to sky." Me eyes go big. Bone coin? That sounds strong. Cavemen love bones. He say, "No time to wait, my tribe. We going vertical. LFG." LFG? Me think that mean let's find goats. Perfect. So me rush to glowing box, ask young tribe child to help caveman buy in. Child say, "Okay, but do you have wallet?" Me take out small pouch made of squirrel skin. He roll eyes. "No, digital wallet." Child make me new one, long magic code full of strange runes. Me use it to buy many bone coins. To do this, me sell real goat, favorite goat, one with gentle eyes and beautiful beard. Her name was Glenda. Me tell Glenda it okay, your sacrifice make Caveman rich. Then Caveman wait and wait. 2 suns pass, Bonecoin go up little, then crash into dirt like drunk pterodactyl. All Bonecoin vanish. TikTok warrior, gone. Bonecoin website, gone. Tribe people, laughing. One even carved meme of Caveman crying into wall. Wife look at me with fire in her eyes, she say, you sell Glenda for coin that not real? She pack things. She leave. Go stay with man who mine real gold. That night, me sit alone in cave, cold, goatless, broke. Me learn word that day, rug pull. It no mean warm blanket stolen from bed. It mean whole crypto disappear while you stare like idiot at screen. After Glenda gone and Bonecoin dead, Caveman feel shame. Me cry so hard, beard get soggy. But one day, smart young tribe boy named Noko see me sulking near river. He say, Uncle Caveman, you know use real wallet, right? Me grunt, of course me do, squirrel skin, strong, waterproof. Noko laugh so hard he snort mango juice. He pull out glowing rectangle, show me numbers and letters. This your wallet now, but not real wallet. This secret magic chest. You lose this, you lose everything. Me squint. But where chest, me see nothing. He say, it not real chest, it called private key, it like secret chant, you never tell anyone, if you do they steal all your coin, even Glenda's ghost can't save you. So Cavemen repeat magic chant 12 times and carve into stone, then hide stone under loose cave tile. Me now understand wallet is not place, wallet is spell. Noko also say there 2 kinds, hot wallet for quick trade, cold wallet for long-term hibernation. Cold wallet for long-term hibernation. Cavemen like cold wallet. Cold is safe. Cold no attract scammers with shiny shoes. And when Noko tell Caveman that putting USB stick in mouth does not transfer crypto, me finally stopped doing that. From this day, Caveman guard wallet like saber-toothed cub. Now no more falling for fake bone coins. Caveman learned first modern trick. Protect the key. Protect the future. Caveman's still confused about this blockchain thing, sound like tool for hunting ghosts. So me go to fire circle, ask wise elder named Grambu. He sit on old log, smoke stick, and say, blockchain like storytelling, Caveman. You love stories, yes? Me nod. Cavemen love stories, especially ones with angry mammoth. Grambu smile. Good, imagine every time someone trade coin, it becomes story. That story go into block. But block no exist alone, it must link to last block, like necklace of truth. Me scratch beard, so each block like bead, with secret written inside. Yes, and every bead must agree with tribe before added. If one liar try to fake trade, whole tribe say no, and chain stay pure. That makes sense to Cavemen. Grambu say blockchain like sacred drum circle. Everyone hear same beat, nobody skip rhythm. Even faraway tribes can join, but they must follow same beat or get kicked out of circle. He say this called consensus. Big word, but Cavemen understand meaning. If everyone not agree, the chain no grow. Grambu pull out rock slate and draw block after block connected with fire lines. See, he say, if one block change, all blocks after it break, so no one cheat. Blockchain no trust people, it trust math. Caveman stunned. All life, me think truth come from elder. Now me see, truth can come from math rock chain. Caveman eyes tear up, not because of wisdom, because Grambu burned fish while talking. Still, me grateful. Now Caveman understand blockchain not scary thing. It tribe of math rocks telling one honest story. After Caveman understand wallet and story chain, me think, okay, me ready to hunt crypto again. But no, me still have problem. Me too easy to excite. Every time me see new coin called things like moonfart or Elon sheep, me start hype dance. Me jump, me cheer, me throw coconut in air. Then smart tribe wife return, her name is Luma. She no like Caveman wasting fire coins again. She say, you still fall for shiny bait, you no do dire? Me blink. Dior, like perfume? She groan. No, dumb beard dire mean do your own roaring. Before trust coin, do research. Ask questions, read scrolls, smell if something stink. Caveman realize, me never ask what bone coin even do, me just buy because TikTok warrior had shiny teeth. So wife teach Caveman real tricks, check white paper. Not tribe cloth, paper with coins mission. Look for team. If all team photos are cartoons, run. Find use case, does coin do anything? Or just scream moon, moon, moon? She also teach Caveman about market cap, volume, liquidity pool, but that part make Caveman nap. Main point is no more following hype drum. Me now dance slow, research dance. Me look at charts, me ask elder traders, me question things like priest in rainy season. And when new coin come, Caveman no throw goat. Caveman say, me wait. This trick save Caveman me avoid 3 new scams just this week, even wife impressed. She stay 2 more moonrises. Crypto world full of loud noise and sky promises, but Caveman now wear earplugs of wisdom. After many moons of crying, learning, and losing favorite goat, Caveman start to see bigger picture. Crypto not just shiny gamble rock, it more like new kind of fire. Fire can cook meat, fire can warm cave, but fire can also burn entire forest if used wrong. Me realize, people chase crypto for quick treasure, but real value not in coin going zoom. Real value in what coin allow tribe to do, like send shiny stones to cousin across ocean with no middleman, or store wealth where greedy warlords can't steal it, or build new tribe rules where all vote counted and no elder cheat. Crypto say, no more gatekeepers. That deep magic, that revolutionary mammoth stuff. Me look back at journey. At first me thought crypto just number rock for fast riches, but now me understand it more like freedom chant. It say you own your path, you own your wallet, you own your risk. Also, crypto teach Caveman to think before. Me trust face, now me ask questions. Before me buy meme coin because bird tweet. Now me read white scroll, ask tribe, test spirit. Me still make mistakes sometimes, but each time me grow stronger beard of wisdom. And that real wealth, not number in sky, not picture of sad monkey, but ability to choose, to learn, and to protect tribe in storm of shiny lies. Crypto just one path, but like any fire, only wise hands make it tool, not weapon. Now me stand at top of hill, not because me rich, but because me survive. Caveman lose goat, caveman lose coin, but caveman gain knowledge. And that harder to steal than any bone coin. Now young tribe members come to me, they say, Uncle Caveman, what coin should we buy? Me no give answer. Me hand them stick, show them fire, say, learn to cook your own wisdom. Me start small tribe school, we call it no rug zone. There we teach younglings not to chase magic fart coins. We show them how to guard wallet, how to spot fake teeth in TikTok warriors, how to read blockchain like sacred scroll. Caveman not perfect. Me still get excited when meme coin bark. But now me pause, me breathe, me roar wisely. So if you still think crypto is magic or easy treasure path, listen to old Caveman. Crypto no magic. Crypto is fire, and fire need respect. Now me ask you, tribe warrior, you still gonna throw goat at first coin you see? Or you gonna light torch with knowledge and walk carefully through dark jungle of internet coins? You decide. Before you go, smash big like rock, tap scribe stick, and share this with one confused caveman you know. Because if one more goat die for meme coin, Glenda ghost haunt us all. Ooga booga.